Hi friends. Today let's see the benefits of coconut milk. You have already heard that coconut oil is very good for your hair and skin. Coconuts are very rich in vitamins and minerals. Coconut milk, water, oil, and all other products can be used in variety of ways in our day-to-day life. Coconut milk makes wonders on your beauty routines. Yes. You might be now wondering why the coconut milk is such a good cosmetic for your skin and hair. Coconut milk contains a lot of fatty acids and also it's a natural antiseptic medicine. Coconut milk when used on hair gets rid of dandruff, strengthens and nourishes your hair and makes it thick and long. Coconut milk nourishes the skin, making your skin healthy, young and glowing. Coconut milk helps cure infection, dry skin, itching, hurts and boils. Coconut milk fights sign of aging and removes wrinkles, making your skin soft and glowing. For damaged hair, the coconut milk just works as good as the coconut oil. Let's take a look at a few benefits of coconut milk. It moisturizes the skin and prevents from premature aging and wrinkles. Coconut milk helps clean pores, prevents spotting, pimples and sagging of your skin. Let's see how to make coconut milk at home. Take 1 cup of diced or grated fresh coconut. 4 cups of warm water. Method: boil the water. Turn off the flame and add the grated coconut. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Now blend the mixture and extract the juice using a clean cloth. You can store this coconut milk for 3 days in the refrigerator. To make use of these benefits, you need to make a face mask of 1/2 cup coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of honey and 5 drops of olive oil. Mix all the ingredients together and apply over your face and neck as a face mask with a clean cotton ball. It can be used on other parts of your body also. Let the mask dry for 15 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Now see your skin clean, moisturized and you will look more younger. Coconut milk also has a lot of benefits on your hair. Coconut milk reduces drying of your hair, keeping it moisturized, reducing damage of hair, and helps to grow your hair thick and long. It's a very good medicine for dandruff, avoiding split ends, itching and breakage of hair. To make this hair tonic you need 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Apply this to your hair from root to tip of your hair. Put on a shower cap and let it absorb for half an hour. Then rinse your hair as usual. Use this regularly. This is a very good tonic for your hair. It's a very good medicine for dandruff, avoiding split ends, itching and breakage of hair. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. For more health videos, please subscribe to our channel. We will be coming up with a lot of useful videos.